Yeah. So the computation of present value of rupees 20,000 receivable after 8 years. Okay. So what you have to do here is now PV, that is present value of rupee 1. Present value of rupee 1. Receivable after 8 years. After 8 years at 14%. That I have already done. I have already taught you how to use the present value table, and I have done it also. After 8 years from now, value is 0.351. Therefore, PV of rupees 20,000 receivable after 8 years is equal to 0.351 into 20,000. So which comes to
7,020, sir.
Thank you. Next, number 2. So they say that instead of 20,000, I'm going to receive 16,000. So what is the present value? So computation of present value of rupees 16,000 receivable after 4 years. After 4 years. So for that, we have to take PV of rupee, PV of rupee 1, receivable after 4 years. Sorry, one more. Okay, so receivable after 4 years, 14%. At 14%. Okay, because they said that what instead of 16 after 4 years. So the value for that will be equal to, I've just found out that value from the, what is called the annuity present value table, which comes to 592, 0.592. Therefore, PV of rupees 16,000 receivable after 4 years is equal to 0.592 into 16,000, which is equal to how much?
9,470.
9,000.
472.
Yeah. Now they're asking. I also advise whether it should better receive 20,000 at the end of 8 year or instead 16,000 after 4 year. Which one is better for you?
Sir, 16,000 after 4 years.
16,000 after 4 years.
One minute. I'll just highlight this so that it will be easy for you to know. You understand? So you have to write very clearly because our boys, they have very bad practice of writing short. Yeah, 16,000 is better. That's all they will write. You see how I'm writing that. You just see how I'm going to write the advice. So like this, I also expect you people to write it in the exam. It is. And one more thing I want to tell my dear students, when you write the amount in the exam, if you write 2.5L, 2.5 thousand, like that if you write, I'm sorry, I will reduce marks. That is not allowed in accounting. That is not allowed in finance. If I give 25 lakhs, you have to write fully 25 lakhs. Again, I'm telling you, then later on, don't claim for the marks. No shortcut business in writing the value. You would have never seen anywhere I'm writing 7,000, 7K, 25L, 3C. I will never do that. See, you can understand, you can just see from all the problems now I'm writing. I'll write the full amount. This is how I expect you people to write it in the exam also. If you write the shortcut way of writing the amount, I'm sorry, I'll completely reduce marks. Not allowed. You may write when you write your core papers or something, but here it is not allowed. Please, I'm making a request to all of you. Receive rupees 16,000. And one more thing also I'll tell you. We are writing rupees here. But anyway, I made that mistake. It's my mistake. But try to use that symbol. You know what is that symbol? You all know what is that symbol?
Yes,
I will
sir.
just 1 minute, 1 minute. That is the right way of writing the amount, ma. That is the right way of writing the amount. 1 minute. I have made a mistake. I will take the blame. I should have taught you with that, but by mistake, I have taught you like this.
The rupee symbol, no, sir?
Even Balakrishnan, you would have seen in my FAT question paper, last FAT, I would have used only that symbol.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The rupee symbol,
You
like
remember?
how dollar for dollar one symbol is there, like that for rupees we have one
No,
symbol.
no, that is the correct way of writing Balakrishnan.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sure, sir.
Anyway, I should have taught you by mistake. I don't know, I just suddenly forget. Okay, we'll start from this problem. Other problem I will. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suddenly it just struck my mind. Why I forgot to teach you in this way. And now I'm not telling for my subject alone. Any subject you're going to use the rupee, please use this symbol. Please use, this is the right way of doing. You see any textbook now, you can see it. Okay, so 16,000 after 4 years as it has higher present value. Am I right or not? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See,
Sir.
I want all of you to write everything, but you see the point I'm going to highlight now. This is very important. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please don't say 16,000 after 4 years is better. Should not. Why it is better? Why my advice is to choose. That is what I highlighted. You can just see it. The problem with you is, Ma, when they see, I'll tell you, don't mistake me. I'm telling this. When people teach you, they're teaching you in a very simple, small, all shortcut way. So you also get used to that habit. But that is not the way you should do in accounting. Got it? Okay, good. So now we have done with the second method. That is A is present value of lump sum. B is present value of series of cash flow. Next, we go for present value of annuity. The next one. Please understand what is the, I'll just teach you the theoretical part. Then we'll go for the problem.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
ask me.
Sir, how can we directly say, sir, the 16,000 is the future value of 9,472, right, sir?
Yeah.
After 4 years?
Mare, it's very clear, Ray. See,
Uh,
20,000 you're going to get after 8 years, where your present value is only 7,020.
yes, sir.
16,000 you'll be receiving after 4 years, but your present value is more. Automatically, that is better. It doesn't
No,
require.
sir.
That is why I written the advice very clearly.
Sir, but sir, if I take 100 rupees from you now and I will say after 10 years I will give you 10,000 and
See,
I will ask you.
that is okay, man. I'm not talking about getting me. Now, look at the present case. That's all. Ravi Teja, look at this case, man.
Yes, sir.
I'm
I
going
don't
to
know
receive,
how.
wait, man. After 8 years, I'm going to receive 20,000. Where
Yes,
my
sir.
present value is only going to be 7,020.
The 7,000 is our investment, right, sir?
Array, 7,000 is the value you get after 8 years for the amount that you have invested on 20,000.
Sir, 20,000 is the amount we are getting for the 7,000 after 8 years.
Array, you read the problem, Ray. Receive 20,000 after 8 years from now. Got it? So the present value of 20,000, what you're going to receive after 8 years is 7,020. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Same 16,000 you're going to receive after 4 years. See, the 50%. But your present value is more. Which one do you prefer, man? It is very simple.
Okay, sir. I got confused. I approached in I think I thought in different.
Sir, so
You
is there
should
a point
continue
after
the
which,
thinking in a different approach, man. See, it is very, very clear. Anybody will understand this.
Sir, I thought that 9,472 is our current investment and 16,000
You have to
our
read the
future
problem.
cash.
You're not reading the problem. Before you do the problem, I want all of you to read the problem. Then this type of doubts you'll never ask me. I'll tell you the way I taught you is very, very, very elementary. You got my point? Ravi Teja.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is, I'll say how many times you ask me, I'll explain. That is different. But these are all very, very rudimentary things. Very, very clear. The picture shows I've highlighted everything. Okay. Okay, next. Next, we go for present value of an annuity. See what happens here. The cash flows may be of a different amount. Okay. But in certain cases, what happens is the investor may receive only constant return over number of years. I'll give for an example. You take interest on fixed deposit, which is fixed in nature. That is every month you get same interest. Such fixed return is termed as annuity. Are you clear or not? Are you clear or not? So
Sir,
it
can
can,
you repeat
it-
once again,
it
please?
can be fixed, it can, what ma?
Can you please repeat what you just
Please,
said
please,
once
I will
again?
do it. Your returns can be fixed or variable ma. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Fixed is every month you'll get the same return.
Yes, sir.
You put a fixed deposit. Do you don't, will you get every month same thing or not?
If it's fixed, yes. Right.
Yes. Suddenly there is some change in the, even though there's a change in the interest rate, they consider only your date of deposit. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one point you're clear. So this fixed, we call it as annuity. Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fixed return that you get on any deposit is called annuity. Anyone can give me an example of variable return?
Sir, mutual fund investment, will it count?
Mutual fund investment, dividend on your shares. Dividend on your shares. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Every year you don't get same dividend. It depends upon the profit that has been earned by the company. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So any return that you get on your fixed, that is called annuity. So you can see the book. To ascertain the present value of the annuity, the PV of annuity is equal to annuity amount into into I. You can see the sheet 1 plus R whole power N. Now everybody is clear with what is annuity? Is everybody clear
Yes,
with the
sir.
term annuity?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll just read the problem. X has entered into an agreement that will fetch her rupees 60,000 per annum for the next 4 years. He wants to know the present value of future cash inflows at 20% discount rate. So now, computation of present value of annuity. So the formula will be of annuity is equal to, or I'll put the formula like this. A very simple way. This way also you can do it. Cash inflow, okay, into one cash inflow is also called as an annuity. Anyway, you can write 1 divided by one plus R whole power N. Okay, this is the formula. Now we'll substitute the formula. Now how you have to do the problem here is rupees 60,000 receivable after 1 year. After 1 year. After 1 year. So we'll substitute the formula 60,000 into 1 divided by Sorry. This is. Okay. $60,000 receivable after 1 year is equal to 60,000 into 1 divided by 1 plus discount rate is 0.2. My God, I deleted everything. So 60,000 into 1 divided by 1 plus 0.02 whole power n. How much do you get? How much do you get? So I can take the first case as rupees 60,000 receivable after 1 year. Now tell me, how much do you get this?
$58,823.
50,000, eh?
58,823.
Check no, check no. Sorry. It should be 0.2, not 0.02. I'm sorry.
$50,000, sir, then.
round up பண்ணாதீங்க இருக்குறது அப்படியே சொல்லுங்க.
50,000, sir.
Yeah. Now I'll teach you also one more thing. How do you say, I lost this and come back to this. Kritika. Kritika. Akshaya.
Yes, sir.
Are you all right?
Better now, sir.
Yeah, thank you for your report.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Nicely prepared. Now, Akshay, I want to ask you one thing.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes we make a mistake in saying 30,000, 13,000, 40,000, 14,000, 50,000, 15,000. You
Yes,
remember
sir.
we make a mistake?
Yes, sir.
You know what is this error called in finance?
No, sir.
Error of commission.
Okay, sir.
So to distinguish this very clearly in future, I'll teach you how to say this 20,000, 30,000. Please listen carefully. 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Even when professors in the online, they dictate. For 15, you will by mistake, so many times here also happen, you'll say 50. For 50, you'll say 15. So to avoid this, in future, any class you want to say, you can say 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. If a faculty does not understand, you tell, this is how you have to pronounce this number to make a difference between this and that. You understand? I'll teach you so many things like this in finance. Learn. The only thing you should have an interest to learn. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll go back to this. So you'll get 50,000. Good. Now, the second case. Rupees 60,000. This you have to do only individually. You may ask, sir, why are you doing separately? But this has to be done individually. This has to be done only individually. For every year you have to do. That is the thing that makes difference in the annuity. Receivable after 2 years. After 2 years. So we'll take the same thing. And here, instead of 1, we put 2. Tell me how much do you get? Don't round it off. What do you get? Somebody can keep calculating for the other years also.
41,666.
You are giving the exact amount, no, you're not rounding off.
41,666.6.
Whatever the amount you get, you please tell me. Don't round
Okay,
it
sir.
off. Yeah. You tell me how much? 41,666.
666.60
Good.
paise.
0.60, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is correct? Is it
Yes.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we take up same thing. We do after 3 years. Sir, there is any other method to do this? This is the only way. There are methods, but this is the only way you can do your annuity method, because for every year you have to show it separately. That is the problem with this. Tell me how much do you get for this?
$34,722.22.
34,000.
722.22.
2. Okay. Now, 4th year. Somebody can, by the time you can calculate. So we'll save some time. 4 years. 4.
28,935.18.
28,000.
935.
935.18.
5.18. Very good. Now, listen here. This is the direct method, formula method I taught you. So now, the total, I'm going to teach you in the alternate, whichever method you find convenient, you can do it. Total PV of an annuity is equal to total value of the annuity is equal to, so you can say 50,000 plus 41 666.60 plus 34,722.2 plus 28,935.18. What is the total of this? What is the total of this? Is equal to tell me how much this comes to the total.
1,55,000.
1,55,323.98.
1 minute. Evalama? 1 lakh.
55,323.98.
123.98. Good. This is one way. The other way is what? Alternative method. Alternative method. Alternative method is what? Using annuity table. Using annuity table. So now we'll do like this, using a PV of an annuity of ₹1 for 4 years at 20% is equal to, I've already found out the value, 2.589. Almost that value will come. Okay, some difference may come. That is okay. Next. Then PV of an annuity of ₹1,000 is equal to 2.589 and 2.589 into 60,000. Now just tell me how much do you get this?
1,55,340.
340.
Yes, sir. 2.589
Okay,
into 60,000.
It's okay, ma. That difference will come because we have rounded off that annuity value table.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
Actual value is 2.5887. I rounded off to 89. That's why. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Then, yeah, then 2.5887 means it is coming as 1,55,322.
Yeah, that's all. Round off this.
That is clear. Yeah. Okay, sir.
322. That's all. So I taught you alternative method and this method, whichever you want, you do. Choice is yours. Got it?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So 4 more problems, which I will complete on Monday and Tuesday. Then the next week is the 1 week that we have for our CAT. So syllabus I told you. Or Monday, or I'll do one thing. I will stop sharing. So I'll do one thing. Monday we'll finish this and I'll start the 3rd unit. So that you, but anyway, I'm not including, but I'll start the third unit.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I will
sir.
start the third unit now because all others are very small problem. So I'll
Okay,
finish,
sir.
it will not take matter of half an hour. So I'll finish it on Monday and we'll go on with the third unit. Or I'll see if there is any case study, otherwise we'll go with the third unit. What my is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, Balakrishnan, you asked me first thing regarding your fat pay, regarding your what is called Cat 1
Digital
paper.
assignment.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about Cat 1. You'll have 3 questions, all application questions. It's all application question. So you'll have both theory, the blend of both theory and problems. Are you clear? That is number 1. Number
Okay.
2, you can see your Moodle, everything has been uploaded. Even the textbook I have uploaded. I'm giving you that much, what to say, I'm giving you that much benefits to you, but you people don't use it. That is the problem. You don't use it.